Read to Lead. And I'm very thrilled to be recommending this book by my guest today, Dr. Robert Wolfe. And it is Not a Real Enemy, the true story of a Hungarian Jewish man's fight for freedom. And like I said earlier in the show, it is quite remarkable and very moving to read the story of a brave kid, really a brave young man, escaping the Nazis, risking his life, risking the life of people who supported him to escape certain death, near death, horrible torture, you name it, at a time of history which was pretty horrible. And hopefully we don't see the repeat of it in our lifetime, though sad to say, it is probably being repeated around the world in different little pockets of conflict. So I think this book is so important because it shows us the power of courage and the power of compassion. And those two things together can help us confront and deal with tyranny, can help us survive tyrants like Stalin, like Hitler, and prevent the rise of them into the future. So Not a Real Enemy is your highly recommended read for this year.